Hello, and welcome to RV & Go's user-friendly website. My name is Killian from RV & Go, and today we're walking through how to activate your listing on RVandGo.com. First, hover over the Host tab and click on Fleet. Below, you'll see the list of your RVs in inventory. Currently, our Luxury Class A is shown as inactive. Click on the Edit button to open up the RV's details. Click on Step 6, the Features tab, and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see in the Finalize and List section, there's a checkbox titled Activate Listing. Take note that even though you're going to check the box, you still need to fill out your merchant profile and banking information before your listing becomes active on RVandGo.com. Until you do that, your listing will look like this, Activation Pending. So once you check the box, hit the Submit button, and this screen will pop up. You'll want to click Validate Account Info. This will take you to your account settings, where you'll need to fill out your merchant account info here, and then your bank account info below. Once that's completed, click on Fleet to return to your inventory list, and your RV's status should be listed as active, like this. And that's it. You've successfully activated your RV listing, and it's ready to be seen and rented out by guests. And if you have any further questions regarding the RV & Go website, feel free to reach out through our email support@rvandgo.com or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.